comes 150.
Okay, gear up.
Gear up. And you notice the stick is just a little bit light.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not like the aircraft, but the flying qualities is like aircraft. There you go.
Make a little aerobatics here and maybe then try the weapon systems. I already saw quite well how the weapon system, how the radar works. That's the, yeah. What's the G limit?
7 Gs right after takeoff, and then soon you're up to 9 Gs. That's carrying 2 bombs. In the F-16 we carry bombs. They're limited to 5.5 Gs.
Okay.
So now we are a 9G jet, even combat loaded.
Do I have my own radar on, or is it just
Radar is always on unless you decide you want to turn it off.
Okay.
And you see here on this one display, the tactical situation display.
Yeah.
Unlike legacy airplanes, we don't have a dedicated air-to-air radar page. It's all seen here. And here, when you put your cursor on it, so with
What's
your
this? What was the cursor?
so the pizza pan, right?
Yeah, pizza. Yeah. This is the same as on FX. And what was the designation?
F-18 is right here. So you look here in this box once you get your cursor on, and then just take your thumb off. To designate, you take this switch and you flick it up quickly and release. There you go. So now you have that selected. We would normally see a box appear here, an expanded data window, and sometimes it'll pop up and show me there all the time. And it will tell you what contributors. Do you have a radar contributor? Do you have an infrared contributor? Do you have DSM? Is his radar radiating when we're picking those sources up?
Okay, it's giving the shoot. What is the range of no escape? Is it this bottom of this range indicator?
It's that bottom part there is no escape. This is telling you if the bandit maneuvers more than 60 degrees that your missile may not intercept.
Okay.
This is here is the amount of closure knots. This is telling you at 24 miles is when your missile will be on its own and you could turn away.
Okay.
Weapons quality 5 here tells you that you have a radar lock and that you have the highest probability of supporting that missile. Looking at the missile information, you're 33 miles away. That's his airspeed in Mach. His altitude is 35,000. You're currently at 37,000. Right? There's the shoot cue.
Yes.
And we use the pickle button to shoot missiles and drop bombs.
Okay, and the trigger is for guns.
Only for guns.
Okay.
Here you can see your target coming into view on your forward-looking infrared telescope, if you will.
Okay.
And when you're ready, notice he has not locked you up. We get indications when he locks you up, and this is totally unclassified. But you could have shot him well outside 40 nautical miles.
Yeah.
And that's where the fight's going to happen. Hopefully it'll be long range where they don't even see us coming.
Yeah. Okay, now it's
You need to still need tools because
Roll it down for a second.
okay.
There we go. Splashing. Out goes your missile.
It's still a tire shape. You still need a active jack. You still need torque wrenches. So those pieces are still there. And some of the prognostics.